afternoon, respected faculties member and my dear friends. My name is Prem Kumar, B Pharmacy, final year, Suresh Gyan Bihar University. So today is my topic industrial training report and subject is practice school. Course objective. My course objective goal of prepare and making and professional industry. And after attending practice school, for the course of have better career and pharmaceutical better knowledge. The test efficacy and safety knowledge for pharmaceutical industry. Career opportunity for pharmaceutical industry. For there are different types of career opportunity like instrumental handling, QC, control, production area, quality assurance area, packaging area, store department, like different types of department career opportunity for industry. Nixie Laboratory. I have done 1 month industrial training for Nixie Laboratory. Nixie Laboratory WHO and GMP certified laboratory. Ceramol. Nixie Laboratory is a parental preparation like a liquid injection, dry injection and lyophilized injection. Nixie Laboratory is there are different types of department like regulatory affairs, quality control, quality assurance and production, store department and packaging department. I have done 1 month industrial training for Nixie Laboratory, proper IPQA department. This is my received 1 month industrial training certificate. This is my 1 month industrial training geotag photos. I have worked in IPQA department. IPQA department is the in process quality assurance department. Like IPQA department responsibility for operating procedure, check and supervisor regarding deviation observed during the process. Work in IPQA department, production area cleaning, manufacturing part and machinery part, level specification for production area and packaging area, store department, logbook entry and exit, entry, check BMR, batch manufacturing record and BPR, batch packaging record. Work in IPQA department, one drug for noradrenaline drug. Noradrenaline drug is a short-term reduce blood pressure and I mainly use of noradrenaline drug ICU patient. For dosage of noradrenaline drug ICU patient for 0.01 to 0.05 microgram per kg. Noradrenaline drug is side effect of high blood pressure and low range of noradrenaline drug for ICU patient 0.01 to 0.02. Check liquid noradrenaline ampoule like a volume check, differential pressure check, nitrogen check, temperature check and sealing machinery part check, noradrenaline drug ampoule injection. Process of industry like ampoule injection, dry injection and lyophilized injection. R&D department, first of all R&D department is ready to any drug structure and MFR record, master formula record, then submitted QA department. QA department is ready to BMR, batch manufacturing record, then submitted dispensing department. Dispensing department collect 2% production areas, for one person is pharmacist and second person is production chemist. Then batch manufacturing record. Then batch manufacturing is bulk sample for QC department, report to production department for all process, and then decartoning, start to decartoning for production area, then washing for and leak test for IPQA department and filling, then sealing, deparization and packaging and dispensing for process. Two types of test for check IPQA department and responsibility for IPQA department. First of all, visual inspection. Visual inspection like intensity for 2000 lux, 3700 lux and white particle check for black particle and black particle check for white particle and empty ampoule and weight and volume. Leak test. This is a desiccator. Insert desiccator will purify water to up to 0.5% crystal volite solution and in water. First of all, 8 ampoule and 8 vial. There are 3 steps for check. And first of all, first step check and mid step and last step check. First of all, 8 vial and 8 ampoule collect the manufacturing department and production department, and then secure 8 vials and 8 ampoule. The 3 minutes holding time for desiccator and vacuum soap for 400 mph pressure. This is I have completed participant certificate for first year to final year. This is the second position secured International Day of Women and Girls in Science. This is my soft skill group discussion certificate I have done also, and this is certificate for work skill. This is my one-day national level seminar certificate and some pictures. This is my international visit Ayushman Enterprises Private Limited Company certificate. This is Jaipur has participated in international current trend advancement pharmaceutical discovery and development certificate. This is for oriented culture participate certificate for this Suresh Gangar University. This is health and hygienic certificate for my second year. This is my participant certificate for mentor session, industrial mentor session. This is my certificate latest research and liver and kidney webinar and biomedical microsystem, and this is my latest research in biomedical science organized Idubike at Taiwan international certificate. This is my Sodh lab certificate for role of revitalization pharmaceutical research and biomedical science. This is my virtual pharmaceutical manufacturing certificate for Suresh Gangar University third year certificate. This is my sport activities emails. This is latest job for Aspire Medicos for salary is 12,000 per month. And career goals, my career goals is higher study for CMSED plus EMT, community medical service and essential drug emergency medical treatment technology, and also crack civil service exam of become railway pharmacist. Thank you.
थैंक यू. तूने हट के बोल.
एक बात बता,